Hello, everyone. My name is Ruth Pickholz. I'm a judge in New York State Supreme Court.
Hello, my name is Carol Sharpe. I'm a judge. I'm elected to the Supreme Court in New York County.
My best friend was going to law school, so we went together. And we went in 1972 to Chicago Kent College of Law. And then I was looking for a job, and it was a difficult time to get a job, but the Legal Aid Society hired me. I learned how to be a litigator. I learned how to cross-examine. I was hired by the Department of Investigation. And then I went to be a criminal justice advisor in the Ed Koch administration. And from there, when David Dinkins became the mayor, he appointed me to the bench in 1990, and the rest is history.
I began my career as a prosecutor and assistant district attorney in Bronx County. After the DA's office, I left and I went to a law firm, Bauer Gardner, where I did medical malpractice defense. That closed up, and I was able to get a job at the New York City Transit Authority. I then became a court attorney to a Supreme Court judge in Bronx County. And I was there with the encouragement of friends and family that I dared to dream that maybe I could become a judge.
I lived at a time when I saw a lot of wrongs being done. I wanted to do something that made a difference. And as a judge, I feel that I've been able to level the playing field. And when things are not fair, I can dismiss cases. I can overturn a verdict. I can do the right thing, and it makes me really feel good when I can.
I did not know that someone like me could be a judge. Here I am, an immigrant with an obvious accent. When I first started working in the Bronx District Attorney's Office, there were no Black judges. In criminal court, when I started, there were no female judges. Being a judge just seemed something that was just so far away. I want everyone to be treated fairly and to be treated like it was one of my family members who had come into court. We have to develop relationships as attorneys. Do you want to be courteous, truthful, and of good character and behavior with your adversaries as well as your colleagues? So when the time comes, you can get the reference. And with the judges too.
I have to tell you, I never thought about being a lawyer, really. That wasn't on my radar. I wanted to do something that made a difference. And when my friend spoke about law school, I said, let me try that. You never know where the road is going to take you.